Hi, Kevin Tadish. We're doing a sound test today. It's June 7th. The weather says it's 73 degrees, gusts of 2-mile-an-hour winds. Beautiful day, very light breeze. So we're gonna set up in the barn 100 dB, and then we're gonna independently check at 50 and 100 yards and so on with our audio recorder, so we can see what the reality is on how many dBs we are exceeding on the perimeter around the barn.
Okay, great.
So come on in here. So that was 100 and 100 up to 105 dB inside the barn. Right outside the doors we're registering 72, 80, goes up and down, but that's not much higher than 80 right now.
Okay.
It's amazing. All right, so we're 50 yards from the noise index, which was 100 there. Right now we're reading 48. When I talk, it goes up to 70, which is typical. Let's go to 100 now. All right, we are 100 yards from the sound producer right now. It was 110 dB. Out here we can barely hear it. (39 to 40 dB, which is really the sound of nature.
Sean, do you mind if I ask you what you think? What do you guys hear?
Barely hear it.
Barely hear it?
Barely hear it. 100 yards.
The birds are louder.
Okay. Let's just go another 50 yards and we'll go from there. So. We're now at 150 yards. I can't hear anything. Can you guys hear anything?
No.
Oh,
Barely.
Maybe a little.
maybe a little. The dB rating is, looks like 37 to 40.
You can hear it a little bit.
Just very faint. It's not even worth going any further because the birds are louder out here at 150 yards than the amplifier. Our lot line is almost 1,000 yards to the trees, and then there's a forest to our next nearest neighborhood. So it does definitely show that noise is going to be imperceptible.
All video from here. Okay, we're at the barn, and what's the level here?
Okay, just outside the barn without me talking, 60, 70.
Okay.
And we're gonna go with the light breeze, which is pretty much an east wind, and we're gonna go now west.
Okay.
All right, so we're at 50 yards west of the barn,
There's the
and
barn.
we're recording 65 to 70 roughly, which is about the sound of a voice. We're going to go 100 yards west and go from there. We can hear the music, but it's very soft.
This side I hear less,
Yes.
This-
I know, it's a surprise.
but the wind.
Maybe the wind
Maybe?
is
No, but the
carrying it
wind
this way.
seems like it's blowing
Wind would
this way.
carry it. Wind will carry
I
it
think
this
the
way.
wind would carry it. Well, anyway, we're at 100 yards west of the building with an east wind, blowing west. Our readings are low 40s, which is really the sound of nature. We can barely hear it. You guys can barely hear it. Barely. That's only at 100. It's not even worth going any further than this. So I think it's safe to say at least at 100 yards it drops off way below the town ordinance sound level. Anything else you guys want to add?
No, you could barely hear anything out here.